again, and I'm very thankful that you're here again. And for those who are new here, thank you very much for stopping by. And please join me in unboxing my Boxycharm Premium for March 2020. So, this is the very first takeover box of Boxycharm Premium. And this is the what? I know some of you knows already, but let's open this so you will see what it is for those who doesn't know yet. And this is it. This is the Boxycharm Premium. And by the way, Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, and you will get maybe 6 to 7 items full size. And when you open it, it says hello charmer. And this month is the Fenty Beauty Takeover. And Fenty Beauty is by Rihanna, for those who doesn't know. Oop, yeah. And the box, oh, not the box, but the card fell off. Okay. So there's 6 items here. And because this is a takeover box, so everybody gets the same item. There's 2 items in the box that each subscriber differs. Okay, so maybe some will be the same, but I think there's 2 items that have like 6 shades, so not everybody's getting the same shades. Sorry if I'm not, I know sometimes I don't make any sense probably when I talk, because sometimes I am having a problem on how to say it properly, because for those who doesn't know, I am a Filipina, so English is not my primary language, and I'm just here in the US, specifically here in the US territory, because I'm married to an American. So much for that. Let's go back to the box. And again, I'm gonna show you. This is what's in the box, okay? And the first one that I'm gonna be showing here, everybody's getting the same. Everybody's getting this, and this is the, what is this? Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. And again, this is a takeover box by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And this one retails for $29. Wow. Where is this made from? Oh, this one is made in Canada. And that's how the back of the box looks like. And it has the name of the shades. Rich velvety color, ultimate staying power, limitless day to night looks for every mood. Okay. So let's start with this for $29. And this is what the palette looks like. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And the back has the shades, okay? The name of the shades. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh wow. Wow. There's how many shades in here? 16 shades. I can't believe it. It's really different when you watch a video of those who unbox this first. The packaging is really nice. I can't believe they just valued this for $29. And here are the shades. Oh my god. I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm not really good in swatching. Wow. This is so worth it. I'm happy that I got this box. just with this palette. I'm very happy already. Okay, let's put this down. And then the next one here is, this is the one I'm not, because I'm gonna be honest, I saw some unboxing, and this is the one I'm not really that excited because of the shade. And why am I opening this already? Okay, I'm gonna show you first the packaging of the box. So this is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter, and this one retails for $36. And this one is made in, doesn't say. Again, this one is made in Canada. So this is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. And that is the shade. So this is the front, Fenty Beauty. Of course, because this is a Fenty Beauty takeover box. And there's a very nice mirror. Oh, wow. And this is my problem. How am I gonna use this kind of highlighter? Maybe I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh. That is the shade. The next one that I'm gonna be showing you is the Invisimatte blotting paper. And this is very light, of course, maybe because of, it says blotting paper, right? But ew, is this really how it is? How do you, I didn't know that it's this tiny. And there's a very tiny mirror. Okay, so here's the blotting paper, and it says Fenty Beauty, and there's a mirror there. Okay, so oh, okay, so when you open it, it's like that, right? When you open it, there's a case here, and then you will put this here inside. And okay, oh, let's close that. Is it closed already? Wait a minute. Okay, there, it's closed. So let's tear this part. Now that's the one I don't like. Okay, I'm messy in the floor now. Ah, so, oh, I have to open every time. Okay. There you go. And then you tear. This one is $16. Wow. Okay. $16. Well, it's Rihanna. I'm gonna throw the box already. I'll put that in my purse. And what's the next one? So the glass, okay, let's find the Matchsticks Shimmer Skin, what? The Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. Oh my God, that's a lot of stick. That's how it looks like. Okay, and I got the shade Chili Mango. Chili Mango. Chili mango, chili mango. What is this thing? So there's, okay, there it is, Fenty Beauty, and this one retails for how much? $18. Okay, and there's the FB over here. There, I don't know if you can see it. There. And what is this thing? all moods. Oh no, am I reading the right one? Oh, this one is $25. Okay. So a magnetized makeup stick in a long wear, light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This long wear cream to powder highlighter stick. Oh, it's a highlighter stick. It's weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Included shade may vary. So I got the shade Chili Mango. Chili mango, chili mango. I don't know if I can use this shade. Oh my god. Oh, it's a twist thing. What am I gonna do with this shade? How am I gonna use this? Highlight, blush, and enhance. This is a highlighter stick? Yeah. I don't know. I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm gonna study more. I'm gonna watch videos on how to use this one. Now the next one here is, this is the Gloss Bomb. This is the Gloss Bomb. Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. This one retails for $19. The ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. In shade Diamond Milk, a dewy highlight for your lips. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is the essential finishing touch to your Fenty face. Diamond Milk. I don't know if you can see that. So is it still? Oh, this one is made in USA. Okay. Ooh, I like the packaging of this. Oh, I've seen this. Yep. I think everybody got the same shade. I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm not really that big fan of lip gloss. That's how it is. And the last but not the least here is, this is the Plush the matte moiselle plush matte lipstick, and this is what the packaging looks like. And I got the shade, oh my god, this is too dark. I got the shade PMS. So that's packaging. I really love the packaging. And again, there's this FB here. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to use that shade. See, how am I gonna use the shade? So I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm not gonna be able to use this. So there's like, out of 6, there is like 2 products that definitely I'm not gonna be able to use. But Fenty Beauty is quite pricey though, so I'm still happy. And again, I paid $35 for the box, right? Everything in the box is worth $143. So it's still worth it because I paid $35 plus $5 shipping. That's $40. So yeah, even though 2 items I know I'm not going to be able to use. So please, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will know if I have a new video up. And hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.